Hello guys, welcome back. So today I will show you text on road effect or transparent 3D text editing by using Snapseed app. Snapseed app downloading in description. You can see before and after. It looks so cool. So without wasting any time, let's start it. First open Snapseed app, then click on open. Now just select your picture you want to add text effect and just click on select. Now next, go to the tool section and select curves tool. We are going to add black background. Click on channel and select RGB channel. Now just down the curve like this and just click on apply. Now next, second step, go to the tool section and select text tool. Now we are going to add text on black background. Click on style and select L2 style. Click on color and select white color. Now just double tap to add text. Now you can type any text you want to add. I'm typing let the. Now place text neatly like this and just click on apply. Now next, repeating same process, go to the tool section, click on text tool and add text. Place it neatly. L2 style. Don't forget to add L2 style if you like this font. And just click on apply. Now next, go to the tool section and select perspective tool. Click on fill mode and select black. Now just click on mode and select free mode. Now drag your picture like this. Drag your picture from corner like this. Once it's done, just click on apply. Our half work has done. Now just save this picture. Click on save. Okay. Now click on open so we can add new image. We can open a new image. Now select your picture again and click on select. Now go to the tool section and select double exposure tool. Click on open image and add the text photo we edited just before and click on select. Now place this text photo neatly on the road like this and just click on style and select overlay style. I repeat, overlay style. Now click on opacity level and decrease opacity level like this much, or you can adjust it according to your picture and just click on apply. It gives picture little contrast effect. Now last very important step, go to the tool section and select selective tool. Now next, just tap on the text like this and just adjust contrast, structure and brightness level like this much. You can see the results. It looks so realistic. By the way guys, I do upload these types of simple tricks daily. If you don't wanna miss this, make sure you have like, share and subscribe our channel.